You're looking for a shortcut, a secret, a life hack, that one piece of advice that will make it all make sense. You tell yourself, if only I knew what they know. You think your problem is a lack of information, a lack of opportunity, a lack of luck. You are wrong. Your problem is simple. You are soft, and you have allowed the world to make you comfortable in your weakness. The modern world is designed to keep you fat, distracted, and poor. It sells you comfort as a virtue. It offers you endless entertainment to numb your ambition. It gives you 1,000 excuses to justify why you are not where you want to be. It's not my fault. The system is rigged. I'm too tired. I'll start tomorrow. These are not reasons. They are incantations, spells you cast upon yourself to remain average. Every time you choose comfort over effort, you cast a vote for the person you don't want to be. You are building a prison, one easy choice at a time, and you are both the prisoner and the guard. Motivation is a myth. It's a fleeting feeling for amateurs. Professionals do not rely on feelings. They rely on something much older, much more powerful. The answer to every problem you have is the same: discipline. If you are broke, the answer is discipline. Make more money, spend less, learn a skill every single day. If you are weak, the answer is discipline. Go to the gym, eat real food, go to bed on time, especially when you don't want to. If you are lost, the answer is discipline. Turn off the noise, sit in a quiet room, define your mission, and take one step, then another. Discipline is not punishment. It is the ultimate form of self-love. It is the act of choosing who you will be over how you feel right now. It's the force that gets you out of bed when the warmth of your blankets is calling your name. It's the voice that tells you to do one more rep when your muscles are screaming. It's the hand that closes the laptop at night to go to sleep even when the next episode is calling. You don't find discipline, you build it. It is a muscle, and you train it with small, insignificant wins. You want to wake up at 5 a.m.? Start by not hitting the snooze button tomorrow. That is the first battle. Win it. You want to write a book? Start by writing one sentence today. Do it again tomorrow. You want to run a marathon? Start by putting on your shoes and walking out the door. Do not focus on the mountain. Focus on the single stone you must move today, and move it well. Every day, you must win these small, silent battles that no one else sees. This is the forge. This is where character is built, not in the grand moments of victory, but in the quiet, lonely moments of effort. Day by day, brick by brick, you are not just building habits. You are building a new identity, and one day, you will look back. You will see the person you used to be, and you will barely recognize them. The self-doubt, the anxiety, the regret, they have been replaced by a quiet confidence, a strength that was earned, not given. The world didn't change. You did. Freedom is not the absence of structure. Freedom is the result of discipline. The disciplined person is free because they are in control of their own life. They are the master of their impulses, not a slave to them. This is the reward, not the money, not the body, not the success. It is the deep, unshakable respect you have for the person you fought to become. So stop looking for another video. Stop searching for a secret. The work is the shortcut. The pain is the path. The answer has been in front of you this whole time. It is written in the sweat on your brow and the calluses on your hands. Your life is waiting for you to demand more from yourself. The question is, will you answer the call?